What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Laptops. I wonder where you're supposed to use them. Well, the answer's in the name. I think you're supposed to use them on your lap. I just picked this up. It's from NNEWVANTE. And it's a multifunction laptop desk, but it also says suitable for tablets too. So I thought I'd check this bad boy out because I absolutely work all the time in places that are not desks. Whether it is sitting in the back seat of a car, on a couch, in a chair, and this desk is something that totally reminded me of like a little desk I had as a kid, and it was filled with like styrofoam beans and stuff like this. But I tell you what, this is light years ahead of what that thing was. And the beautiful thing about this is it's not overly complex. It's not made from multiple parts where it's going to be fragile or anything like this. It's just kind of a very simple desk, but super useful. So let me just show you what I've got here. I'm not really sure what this is filled with. It kind of feels like a styrofoam sand or something. It feels like one of those, neck pillows, those travel neck pillows or something. Really comfortable and soft, but it keeps its shape. When I punch into it, it keeps its shape. You can see it's sewn in the middle here. So what this will do is it'll sit on your lap, conform to your legs, and I don't think you're gonna feel any pressure on it, right? You can see how it's a little bowed. Maybe here's a little bit better. It's a little bowed right there. So it's gonna be right on your legs and give you some nice, nice ventilation in there too. There's also a little strap here. I guess that's for carrying it. That's pretty cool. And then on this side, we actually have two little pockets here. And I think you could put like remotes or something like that in there, or charging cables, whatever. And then on the top, what we have is like this black wood type Formica top. So I think this is gonna be really durable. It's a little slick, but it's very smooth, and it has a nice look to it. It reminds me of the Lincoln Blackwood pickup truck. And then we have this like little plastic bar here, so if you have stuff on here, you don't have to worry about it sliding off. It's gonna get stopped right there. That's gonna be really good for a laptop. That front edge will go right there. And as you can see, it's a little bit apple shaped. You've got a nice little kind of organic curvature to it. So it should be really comfortable to use. And laptops on your lap are, to me, probably just a little strange because they're a little low and they're not supported very well. So to add maybe 5 or 6 inches to the height to get it up to a little more comfortable place for me, and then to secure it on here on a desktop, like I said, whether it's an iPad or a laptop, what have you, I think this is going to be a game changer. And obviously it's so small, you can put this right on the nightstand, put it on the end table, the side table. You can probably put it in a drawer in your living room so that when you want to work and watch a little TV or be with friends or family, you can whip this thing out and just use it. So really awesome. NNEWVANTE laptop desk. Simpler is better sometimes. I will put a link to this bad boy in the description below. Pick one up. Peter Von Panda. Out. Well, if you have stayed...